Naraguna Production.
Hello, this is Naraguna, and today I'm gonna show you how to make a really freaky, disturbing sound only with a few things you can find at home. So first of all, we need acetic acid, we need sea salt, it must be sea salt, not normal salt. We need ice, and we need, this is called saffron. And we need electric kettle, and very important, we need tap water. Tap water is important because of the amount of calcium carbonate in it. So here we go. So while the water is cooking, we can prepare the other things. So first of all, take the sea salt. Not so much. I think it's enough. Then the acetic acid. Also not so much. A bit more. Okay. And the saffron. From this, really less amount. Really less. Because I think this is enough for the effect. So now we wait for the water. So then we take it and really slowly because it's so hot. Now, last not least, the ice. And now, just listen what will happen. You can see how the ice melts rapidly because it's reacting with the substances in the water and falling downwards, while on the top emerges a freaky sound like a very high pitch. Thanks for watching, I hope you enjoyed the video.